Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy now Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, family. Happy hump day for those who like the term. I just want to first off say thank you. Thank you so much, everybody, for giving us a thumb up, subscribing to my crazy big black family, and jumping on board as a subscriber. I appreciate it. We appreciate the love. I also want to say stay true to you, stay blue to you, and continue to do what works for you. Don't let these people up here tell you all this BS and everything else, and you try your best to try to do what they do so that you can make it. Do what works for you, because whatever works for everybody else may not work for you, and 9 times out of 10 it won't. So don't let people tell you, or don't what is the old saying, try to keep up with the Benjamins, if you will. If you don't not familiar with that term is, it means don't try to be somebody that you're not. Another thing I want to just say to all of my subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you so much, because we have officially topped 800 subscribers. We got about, actually last time I checked it was 804, which means we got about 196 more subscribers to go, give or take, because usually somebody will unsubscribe, but that's cool. I'm not gonna digress on that. But what I will do is say thank you for even subscribing the first time, even if you do unsubscribe. And thank you so much, guys, for holding us down. We appreciate it. And you know something, sometimes old things work for you. I was struggling at 792 subs for the longest, and I'm like, why won't it go past 792, 793? Then it would go, it would fluctuate, 793, 792, back and forth. Then I said, you know what, for those that are new to this channel, I was on this platform before, but I got demonetized, okay? And for those who don't know what demonetized it is, it's when your channel gets taken from you. My channel was taken from me, guys. But I learn, I watch, I listen, I pay attention, and I learn. I started on this platform in 2021, March, on another name, on another channel, but that channel was taken down. So when you come across my videos and you see us up here and you be like, you know, is this person, they're not even monetized. Oh, that's okay, because we were monetized before. Oh, you didn't know that, huh? Yeah, we were monetized before, and somebody on this platform took us down off of this channel. So we're back, and we don't plan on going anywhere. How you doing? Thanks for watching. Bye.